What's going on, everybody? Math with Chris. We're going to do another simple algebra equation where we're trying to solve for x. Our equation here is 3x minus 5 equals 31, and we're going to find out what x is. And if remember, for what we do this is we think of equations as a scale. This isn't not the best scale drawer, but let's do it like something like this. And both sides of the scale have to be the same for the thing to stay balanced, right? So if you have a 5 and a 5, well, the thing is going to be balanced because 5 equals 5. 5 equals 5. And if you want to subtract 1 from 5, well, you got to do that on the other side to keep these equal. So now 4 equals 4, right? And that's still good. If the scale said 4 and 4, that would still work. And if you want to multiply, well, if you multiply on one side, you got to multiply on the other side. Times 3 times 3, 12 equals 12. That's still good. Scale's still balanced. That's not a problem. So when we're trying to solve a problem such as 3x minus 5 equals 31, we can use this over here to get x all by itself on one side. So the first thing we want to do is get rid of this minus 5. That's a really annoying minus 5. See, the minus 5 is on the same side of the x. We want to get rid of it. We don't want that on the side of the x side. We want that gone. So the opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. And if we plus 5 to one side, we got a plus 5 to the other side. Now minus 5, plus 5 on the left here goes away because minus 5 plus 5 is just 0. So, you know, any number plus 0 is just the same number. 3x plus 0 is still 3x. So we're left with 3x over here on the left. And on the right, we got 31 plus 5. Well, 31 plus 5, 32 to the 36. So now we have 3x equals 36. And we still, so x is still not by itself, right? We still got that 3 in front of it. That's a 3 times x. So what's the opposite of times? Well, the opposite of times is divide. So if we divide by 3 over here, well, what do we have to do if we did it on the left? We got to do the same thing on the right. Divide by 3. 3x divided by 3, the 3's cancel each other. 3 divided by 3 is just 1. 1 times the number is still the number, so 1 times x is still just x. We're left with x over here on the left, and on the right here we got 36 divided by 3. Let me calculate that in my head. 12. X equals 12, and that's what we wanted to do, is we wanted to get x all by itself on one side of the equation. X equals 12, that's what we've done. So now we know what x is, and that was the goal of the problem. X equals 12, and if we go back to the original problem and put it in, 3 times 12 minus 5 equals 31. Does that check out? Well, that's 36 minus 5 equals 31. By my calculations, 36 minus 5 does equal 31. Checkmate. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Hope you guys found this helpful, and we got a bunch more of these videos, so check out more if you like to learn some more.